Yo, good morning my people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I got a little stuff going on. As y'all know, probably don't know, y'all already saw the intro. I got me 04 RX8. You know, got a little stuff going on with it. Went already mounted the clips wheels on because the OEM wheels that came with it, one of them was cracked, so I didn't want to deal with it because, you know, it actually looks pretty ugly. I don't like it like that, so I was like, you know what, let me use the clips wheels for right now. So today I'm probably gonna do a little bit, you know, a little stuff going on. This is gonna be my drift build. So this is gonna be my drift build. I never built nothing like this. I never done anything like it, but I really want to get into drift life and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to do the best I can. So bear with me and y'all keep up with me. This channel is gonna be booming real fucking soon. So y'all stay with me and let's bounce. Let's make this happen today. So this is the baby right here. Y'all probably seen it, and you know what I'm saying. The paint is a little bit messed up, which it don't really matter to me because I will end up wrapping the car or probably getting paint. You know, I'll probably keep the same color because I like it. But so far the car runs good. It's pretty good. I ain't even gonna lie. I was scared when I bought it because a lot of people has the misconception of the RX8, blah blah blah, all kind of stuff. And you know, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna do it and see how it goes. So you know, let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and get some stuff, and we're gonna start this video. So let's get it popping. So one thing to know about this car is, do not move the car until the car is warmed up properly, because you know this is a rotary engine. It's a 1.3 liter engine, but it don't work as any other engine. So it's pretty different. That's what I know. Don't quote me on that much of the stuff because I'm new to this type of car. I never had a rotary engine car before, but hey, it is what it is. It's a new beginning, no start. Let's do something else. And yeah, so like I was saying about the steering wheel thing, it doesn't come with the where you can fill it up with steering with power steering fluid and all that stuff. It doesn't come with that. It's electric. So that kind of been bugging me, and you know, I'm really okay with it. The engine light's on because of that stuff, and the air pump, the secondary air pump, is going to be deleted soon because I just can't deal with it. And it kind of just it doesn't do anything. It really doesn't do anything in there, and it's really about the emissions type of stuff. So I'm okay with that. The car will pass emissions regardless, so really not really bugging about it. And like I was saying, so you know, this door right here, the car was hit on this side. So what I did was, the car came with a new door. So what I did was I remounted everything from the old door. I put it on the new door, so you know I don't have to deal with it, because at first nothing was working. Everything was connected, but it wasn't working. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just take it off and try to put everything from the older door, and you know, see how it goes. So everything came out pretty cool. Everything started working properly. Changed a couple of fuses that it was blown. So you know, everything seems to be working good. So we finna head to the store in about 1 minute. The car is warmed up properly, and this is where you wanted to have the car when it's warmed up properly, right here. You want it always to have it right there, because you do not want to move the car without the car being warmed up. It messed up your engine and the apex seals as well. So you know, that's what I was told, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. Now another thing that I was told about the car is always redline the engine, redline the car like once or twice a week, so it can clean up everything in the engine, because you know this engine uses oil and the apex seal as well. You know, for whatever reason, I don't know how to say it, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna look dumb, but yeah. So you know, it's always to rev it up, redline it at least once or twice a week. So we finna do that today. I haven't moved the car in like 3 days, so we're gonna do it today, definitely. So let's go to the store. Yo, so y'all already know we finna redline it. But before we start, I ain't gonna lie though, you can never go wrong with one of these, bruh. This vanilla one, never go wrong. For sure. But hey, yo, for real though, you can never go wrong with one of these, huh? This is the best way to start your day. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't know where I'm going. I'm taking the back street because shit, the other phone died, and cause I'm recording with my phone, so I don't have a camera. But I'd pull up on the street, son. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I had like 2 cars behind me. I didn't even realize that. But like I was saying, this thing runs smooth. I'm taking the back street because I honestly don't have no tags. So I'm trying to, avoid any trouble. I ain't gonna lie, I miss shit like a motherfucker. But hey, we gonna skip that, cause ain't nobody gotta see that. Woo! Yo, this street is so sad. It's so ass down here. It's not even funny. Like, this car hits every fucking where. Ooh, but we're out or something. Look how she look, bro. She just look good, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, I got one great wheel. My other wheel was actually cracked as well, so I went and got this one from a homie a little while back ago. But you already know. Let's hit to out or something, boy. Let's go get some. I'm probably gonna get some engine degreaser. So I'm back at the house. I went and got me this degreaser. It's in Spanish, so you know what I'm saying. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I decided to buy this because I feel like, there ain't much to do to the car right now due to low budget. But what we gonna do right now, really, I'm gonna go ahead and take all this installation and stuff like that, all of this right here. See, it's already coming off or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, clean the engine a little bit. The engine bay looks really disgusting, so I'm finna go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of this. I'm probably gonna remove the secondary air pump, but I'm not sure because I have a plate, but I'm not quite sure if it's gonna fit in there or not. So we definitely gonna see. I'm finna go ahead and remove all of this, remove all the wires, and right now, so let's get to it. So right now, what you want to do is you want to remove most of the stuff out the way because this is gonna be trouble. But we're gonna get to it, and I'm gonna let you know what you should do next. Fine right now. So with this right here, it's already done right here. It's already taken down. There's the bolt. There's some plastic bolts, whatever this is, they hold on to this. So this is gonna be this type of stuff. So once you take this stuff out, it's easy for you to take it out. This thing comes out by itself. So you take it out, boom, since I'm not reusing this, I really don't care about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, and rip it off. But, you know, this thing comes out pretty easy. Look how dirty that's super dirty. I'm gonna go ahead later on and clean it up. But I gotta go ahead and take this module out and take this thing out because I need to be able to clean on there. So once you take that off, what you want to do, this comes out by itself. You got to remove this clamp. So let me see if I can remove it without breaking it. There you go. I got it out. So this right here, I think this is for the fuel injector. This right here. So you always want to keep that. Even if you end up deleting the secondary air pump, you most definitely want to keep this. Do not throw this away because this is it. You know, your fuel injector is not gonna work properly, whatever that is. So, no, that's it with that. After you take that out, you got more space. I'm gonna be cleaning most of the stuff, but if you pay attention back here, you know, it's the same thing. It got a couple of these right here. You want to take this out. It has one right here and one right here. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing on the other side. So you wanna go ahead and just take that out. Like I said, I'm not reusing none of this stuff, so I will be cutting it. I will cut it right here, so I won't have to struggle to take it out. I really don't care about it much, so I really don't care for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Go. Oops, it fell. So for this part right here, it's gonna be the same thing. You wanna make sure you take this out right here, and you know, it's pretty much it's the same thing. Down here, see, you want what you want to do also, you want to take this out because this is going to give you a lot of trouble since this has to come up by itself. But I'm probably just going to go ahead and just cut it off and just take it out that way because I'm not reusing any of these. So, you know, I really don't care for any of that. So that's pretty much about that. You got to do the same thing you did on the other side. It's the same thing you're going to do on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and take this all out, and I'm going to show you the result after I take it all out. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and clean it. Once you see that it's all out, I'm going to go ahead and clean it and show you the final product. I'll be right back. So here it is, the car with the insulation removed and everything else. It's actually pretty clean. I should make the car look more with more space and all of that stuff. Everything's clean. I went and did a little clean up on the engine just to make it look a little better. I wasn't able to do the engine, the wide thug, because I actually need more tape and all that stuff, and I really didn't want to go through that situation. So I just left it as it is. I did have a blogger plate. I put it on top because I haven't got the right one. So once I change the whole thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the plate, you know. And I'm pretty sure it comes with it. So far it's so good, and everything is just put up right here. Dígame. So what's up, guys? I'm back over here. I wanted to go ahead and pick up all the tools and all that and all the extra stuff. So actually, I did end up removing the secondary air pump. So I did end up removing that because I mean there was no point for it anymore. I actually did got the code before, so you know there was really no point in having it. So what I did, I just blocked it up with a block of plate on it. And see, one thing right here, this is where, you know, I blocked it on top for now until I get new headers, because you know the bolts down there are really messed up and I didn't feel like dealing with it, so I just blocked it off on top until I get the new headers, because I will definitely be changing the headers and all that stuff. But if you ever want to take this out, this is right here, you can see right here, and then you literally take out these and take out the two bolts down here, the two bolts down there, and that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do, and boom, you done. You got that. That's, you know, that's actually better. The way that sounds when you turn the car on is ridiculous. I do not like it. So you know that's one of the reasons why I removed it, and actually gave me a lot of more space in engine bay, you know, so to do whatever I have to do. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment down below, and for sure don't forget to subscribe to help out the channel. And y'all better keep up and stay tuned, because we're coming out with a lot of videos. Come on, a lot. We're gonna start it. We're gonna get this build done. We're gonna get this car ready to drift soon. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.